morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Students, in our previous class, we have studied about national festivals and some religious festivals. Okay, so today we will continue with our some more religious festivals. Okay, students. See, we have completed national festival, that is Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. Now Republic Day, it is celebrated on 26th January every year. And Gandhi Jayanti, it is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Okay student, these three are our national festivals. Now see our religious festival, Diwali. We decorate our house with lights and diyas, and we worship goddess Lakshmi, and children burst crackers on this day. It is most important festival of whom? Hindus. Now Eid. Eid is the main festival of Muslims, and here people have fast of whole month, and the last day of the month, that is called Ramzan, they break their fast by seeing the moon. They will go to the mosque and pray and greet each other Eid Mubarak. On that day a special dish is made, that is sevaiyan. Now we will move to our next religious festival, that is Christmas. So first children, I will read. Christmas is the main festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is birthday of Jesus Christ. On Christmas, churches are beautifully decorated. People go to a church and sing hymns. They decorate their houses with Christmas trees. They give gifts to relatives and friends. A special cake is made. Children believe that Santa Claus come on Christmas Eve and give them gifts. So children, you know it is a grand festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year, and it is a birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, churches are decorated very beautifully with the flowers, with the lights. Okay, and people will go to the church and sing their hymns. And on this day, people decorate their house also with star and Christmas tree. They made special cake and gifts. They will give gifts to the relatives and their friends. So children, on this day the children are very happy. Why? You know why? Because they believe that Santa Claus will come and he will give gifts to them. Okay. सो चिल्ड्रेन, जो क्रिसमस फेस्टिवल होता है वो क्रिश्चियंस का बहुत ग्रैंड फेस्टिवल होता है. इसको कब सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? 25 दिसंबर. हर साल 25 दिसंबर को हम क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. इस दिन जीसस क्राइस्ट का बर्थडे होता है. ओके, और क्रिसमस के दिन आपको पता है चर्चेस बहुत सुंदर से डेकोरेट किए जाते हैं. पीपल जाते हैं चर्च, लोग जो है चर्च जाते हैं, वहाँ अपने प्रेयर्स को गाते हैं, बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स गाते हैं रिलेटेड टू प्रेयर, और वो अपने घर को स्टार से सजाते हैं और उसके साथ क्रिसमस ट्री से भी सजाते हैं, और अपने फ्रेंड्स को और रिलेटिव्स को गिफ्ट्स देते हैं. इस दिन बहुत स्पेशल केक बनाया जाता है, और इस दिन बच्चे बहुत खुश रहते हैं क्योंकि उनको ये लगता है कि सेंटा क्लॉस आएंगे और उनको गिफ्ट्स देंगे. ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल, दैट इज़ गुरु पर्व. सो गुरु पर्व इज़ रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल ऑफ Sikhs. It marks the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. Sikhs go to the Gurudwaras to pray. They take out processions. A holy book called Guru Granth Sahib is read. They organize langar on this day. So student, it is a festival of Sikhs and it is a birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. Okay, they go to the Gurudwara to pray. They take out processions and they will read the holy book that is called Guru Granth Sahib, and they organize very tasty langar on this day. Okay, so children, जो गुरु पर्व है वो सिख लोगों का रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल होता है. इस दिन 10 सिख गुरुज के बर्थडे होते हैं. इस दिन जो सिख होते हैं वो गुरुद्वारा जाते हैं प्रे करने के लिए और बाहर रैलीज़ निकालते हैं. ओके, और वो अपने हॉली बुक को जिसका नाम है गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब को रीड करते हैं. उनके साथ वो लंगर भी ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. ओके, now we will move to our next festival, that is Pongal. So I will read first. It is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is a 3-day festival celebrated in month of January. People worship the rain god, the sun god and kettle. A special dish called Pongal is made on this day. So children, ये पोंगल फेस्टिवल जो है वो तमिलनाडु के लोगों का होता है. ये 3 दिन का फेस्टिवल होता है और इसको जनवरी में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. वो रेन गॉड का, सन गॉड का और कैटल की पूजा करते हैं और इस दिन एक स्पेशल डिश बनाया जाता है जिसको हम पोंगल बोलते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो इट इज़ अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ harvest. Okay, and it is a festival of Tamil Nadu. It is a festival of 3 days and it is celebrated in the month of January. People worship the rain god, the sun god and kettle. A special dish and very delicious dish is called Pongal is made on this day. Okay children, got it? Now next festival is Onam. First I will read children. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. People decorate their houses with rangoli made from flower. Boat races are held during this festival. A special dish called पायसम is made. ओनम कहाँ सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? केरला में. सो ओनम इज़ द हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ केरला. पीपल अपने घर को रंगोली से डेकोरेट करते हैं और रंगोली किससे बनाया जाता है? फ्लावर्स से. सो पीपल विल डेकोरेट देयर हाउस विथ रंगोली मेड फ्रॉम फ्लावर. और इस दिन इस फेस्टिवल में बोट रेसेस होते हैं. ओके, केरला में बोट रेसेस होते हैं. सो बोट रेसेस आर हेल्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस फेस्टिवल. इस दिन बहुत डिलीशियस डिश बनता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं पायसम. एंड आई थिंक यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट डिश ऑल्सो. ओके, पायसम. सो अ स्पेशल एंड डिलीशियस डिश इज़ मेड दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पायसम. Children, these all are our religious festivals and we also celebrate some special days, that is our birthday and anniversaries. है ना? Festival brings all the members together and we have lot of fun during this festival. Yes or no? We all come together to celebrate anything and with everyone. So children, this time everyone is very happy and they will enjoy this moments. Okay, Now children, after that we will read some points to be remembered so that we have revised on all the topics we have studied. So first point is festivals are a time of joy and celebration. Different people celebrate different festivals. The festivals that are celebrated by the whole nation are called national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of the nation. Diwali is called the festival of lights. A special dish called sevaiya is made on Eid. The holy book of Sikh is called the Guru Granth Sahib. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Boat races are held during the Onam. So children, here are some points to be remembered and we have completed our chapter, that is our festival. So you have to read the chapter so that you can have practice of reading the chapters and you will read very nicely. Okay children, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.